Hi, this is Saiful. Welcome to my tutorial channel. Um, in this video, I'll show you how to make a Slag. When you will type in input text field, then it will automatically create in another text field. Okay, it's called Slag. Okay, now I'll show you how to make a Slag for our blog site or others, or all of the other sites for with jQuery. Okay, let's get started. First of all, we can create a heading jQuery Slag text field. Okay. Okay. Now I'll create a div plus sorry okay, now I can define it. I name it is the section. Okay, I can declare here style. Okay, section. First of all, also I can add a align align center. Okay, save it and check it. Okay, Jquery Slag with text field. Okay, fine. Okay, now we'll set here margin left, or we can set width 80%. Okay, height something, margin auto. Now create input field type text. Okay, set value empty, name first input id. I have to need set ID because jQuery usually we use for jQuery we detect the field or tag any we can define with the ID. That's why I am going to set a ID that is first input. Okay, the second one is second input. Okay, now I save it. Okay, now it's showing here. Okay, I can set first input, second one is second input. Okay, I can break here. Let's check. That's fine. Okay, make another break. Okay, now I'll type here, then it will automatically come here and add a slash or minus. Okay, how I'll do it? First of all, I'll give the link in my description. Okay, just before write your code, just put it. Okay, now I have to need define uh, the first element ID. First element ID is a first input, right? Okay, just need to create key down, beautiful. Okay, key down, and the function is okay. The second one is I have to need tick the value, where the value of first input. Okay, how I'll get the value? The dollar, the ID first input dot value. Okay, now I have to need take the space. Okay, remove the space. I'll replace the space replace value of first input dot re replace. Okay, just slash. Okay, and the space and slash and g comma and double quotation and minus. Okay, now I'll show on second text field, second input dot value is replace. Okay, now I save it. Okay, let's see. Yes, it's coming. Okay, where I'm doing this. Okay, like, hi, this is my first hi, this is okay, this is my first Jquery. Okay, must should make a space. Okay, how is it working? First input. Okay, just key down first input. In first input I key down. Okay, key down, get the value from first input, and the first input, the every space I'll replace with the minus. Okay, and replace the value of with the minus value I'm just going to set into the second input text. Okay, that's it. Thank you very much.